Hello everyone. Today we are going to know something about Nepal's Scouts. While talking about the Nepal Scouts, Nepal Scouts is the national scouting and guiding organization of Nepal. It helps young people develop character, leadership, discipline, service spirit, and practical life skills. It is a non political, non profit, and voluntary youth movement. Nepal Scouts works under the motto of service and follows the principles of the worldwide Scout movement. While knowing or talking about the history, it was established or founded in 1952 AD, which is 2009 BS. In 2009 BS, Nepal Scouts was established to encourage youth participation in national building and nation building and social service. Nepal became a member of the World Organization of the Scout Movement (WOSM) and the World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts (WAGGGS). The main objectives of Nepal Scouts are to develop good citizens, to promote discipline, honesty, and leadership, to encourage social service and community development, to train youth in self-reliance and teamwork, to promote peace, national unity, and environmental protection. Some of the promises and law of Scouts are: do their duty to God and the country, help others at all times, follow the Scout law. Some of the Scout laws are: 1 number, trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. Nepal Scouts has been divided into various sections according to the age groups. First, Cub Scout. It ranges the age group between 6 to 10 years. Second, Scout. It ranges the age groups between 11 to 15 years. Rover Scout. The age group is in between 16 to 25 years. Adult leaders above 25 years. Activities of Nepal Scouts. Nepal Scouts conduct many activities such as community service, cleaning, helping elderly peoples, disaster relief, camping and hiking, first aid and emergency response, environmental conservation, leadership training, cultural and national programs, disaster management and rescue support. While talking about the uniform of Nepal Scouts, the Scout uniform represents discipline and unity. It generally includes shirt, collar varies by section, scarf, neckerchief, belt, badge, cap or braid. Role in national development. Nepal Scouts plays an important role by helping during earthquakes, floods and pandemics, supporting awareness campaigns, promoting volunteerism, training youth to become responsible citizens. Importance of Nepal Scouts. Some of the importance of Nepal Scouts is to build confidence and leadership, teaches practical life skills, encourages service before self, helps youth become disciplined and responsible. In conclusion, we can say that Nepal Scout is an important youth organization that helps young people grow physically, mentally, socially, and morally through service and discipline. It prepares youth to serve the nation and humanity. Ultimately, Nepal Scouts describes about the helping natures and and being prepared for any emergency and being disciplined. Thank you.
हसिलो मिठो बोलीले हसिलो चेहरामा सधैँ हसिलो मिठो बोलीले म राख्छु विश्व सेवामा बलियो पाइला उचाली गरी गरी उचाली चली राष्ट्रभक्त कर्मभक्त म स्काउट नेपाली म स्काउटको नाचली हिमाल धर्म साथली मानवताको नाथली अगस्तो लहरीले गर्छु समान मैत्री देशली काम हो भने यदि तयार छु म हर गरी राष्ट्रभक्त कर्मभक्त स्काउट नेपाली
Scout, Scout. हजुर आफ्नो यता सता यसपछि आतुको खुट्टा राखिदिनु हो स्काउटले एक पाइलाबाट सुरु हुन्छ यो भनाइ चाहिँ लाओ जुको हो सो यो भनेको यो चाहिँ तपाईहरुले रिपिट गर्नुपर्छ है यो भनेको तात्पर्य भन्नु भनेको चाहिँ हामीले जिन्दगीमा अगाडि बढ्ने बेला चाहिँ हरेक कुरा चाहिँ एक पाइलाबाट नै सुरु हुन्छ सो यसरी नै हामीले जुन हामीले 1907 मा क्राउन्सी आइल्यान्डमा गरिएको जुन चाहिँ हामीले यहाँनिर गरेको चाहिँ गरेर नै अब हाम्रो स्काउटिङ यात्रा चाहिँ अगाडि बढाउनको लागि चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ र त्यो एक पाइला चाहिँ आज हामीले यहाँबाट सुरु गरेका छौँ Thank you, sir. Scout, solto, सम्पूर्ण दिस स्काउट स्काउट साइन
हातमा साथी राखी आफ्नो मर्यादामा निक्या गर्दछु कि सबभर राष्ट्र र सत्य निष्ठा ईश्वर धर्मपति आफ्नो कर्तव्य पालना गर्दछु सधैँ परम्परा गर्दछु सधैँ स्काउट नियम पालन गर्दछु